Hearing test in Sweden. So after delivery, an important check for newborns is the hearing test. So this test usually happens within a month, or it can also be done before you leave the hospital after delivery. In our case, we got a call and appointment through the child healthcare system that is called BVC in Sweden. The process was very simple and completely painless for the baby. They simply place tiny soft sensors near the baby's ears while the baby is either sleeping or calm, and the machine checks how the baby responds to the sound. And this whole test takes approx few minutes, and it's under Swedish healthcare system, so it's just 100 crowns. You don't need to pay anything extra, and this test happens in Austria. So it's an important check for newborns that has to be done, and then they will send this test report to the BVC, and afterwards BVC will take care from there. So if any new parents or any new mom to be, if you need any more info on this, let me know in the comments or you can DM me. So don't forget to follow. I see you guys in next vlog. Bye.